Before I give you the right? Yeah. Just go back and forth, and then it gives you the result.
Kit Kat ball.
Taking me back memories.
Yep.
This commercial is so old.
Okay, let me show you this. So you can see the actual implementation of the flow chart. Alright. Okay, so let me go ahead and alright, so okay, could you please just we'll work on that later on. Let me show you. This is an actual program. So here we use the if statement. You see what I'm telling you? So this is an actual program that you take the flow chart and you convert that to the code. Here the code has to be exactly right. I mean the syntax here has to be exactly the way that the compiler is going to expect it. What this thing does is that it has multiple if statements. All right, we take data from the user, we compare that, then we run a while statement. Now, we are using two types of conditional control loops. One is the if statement, the other one is a while. So you basically take the flow chart, which is your logic, and going back to the user and making sure that the program is going to follow a certain pattern and it's going to give you the right output. Once you have that, you write the program, but the code, the syntax has to be correct. So we go down here, and as long as the user answers the question of do you wish to continue or whatever it is, I think right here, do you wish to continue is at the bottom here.
So it's awesome.
Do you wish to change permission to another object? If the user says yes, then the program is going to continue. So the idea is that you create a flow chart, and then you go ahead and create your program. So I'm going to go back here now the command line, and I'm going to show you how this thing runs. So right there, the user is asking, the program now starts. So please enter the user ID. So I enter the user ID. Then the system says, hey, that's not the user ID that I'm expecting. The user ID that I'm expecting is some other user ID. So what happens is that the program goes there, it uses the if statement, right? So the condition for if is not true. So what happens? It goes and it shows you an error message and it cancels, right? So you start the program, you have a conditional statement. If that condition is true, the program continues. If that condition is false, the program cancels. That's what happened here. But you see that on a flow chart. So then if I run it again, and this time I input the user that the program is expecting, it's going to say, oh, okay, that's the user that I'm expecting. Now, enter the password. So what it means is that I passed the first if statement, right? And now on the second. So I'm going to input my password correctly this time, so it doesn't cancel. Then the password is right, so the program continues.
And then you move on to step 2.
Yeah. So now it goes into enter some object name to change permission. So I say, okay, file 1. Then it says, what permissions do you want? Okay, 777. This is infinite. And then it shows me the file, the permissions, how many times I changed the permission. And then it says, do you wish to change permission to another object? If I say yes, with the Y, right, it goes back again. Enter the object name. So now it's in a loop, right? Now it's using Y, while the answer is equal to Y, right? So if I say now again, file, 1, I want to change the permission to 111, then it shows me that. So now this time I'm going to say no.
So now they're not asking if-then statements, though, they're just asking yes or no questions. And how you would have
Yeah.
it in the,
Yeah, the yes or no is for the while loop. The while loop is waiting for you to say, I want to continue or I want to cancel. The if statement is evaluating against a particular condition.
that makes the question, though, because if you're not doing if-then, if you're just doing it if Y is yes or no, you're not looping back to the beginning, you're just going in a different path of the tree, right? Because if it says if you're in the program and you passed all the if-thens, and then it says, do you want to edit this program, and you put no, then you're just going to go to a different part of the program, right? Where it say, what do you want to do then?
Well, with the while statement, you can send the program anywhere you want. You can put it at the beginning of the program, you can put it in the middle of the program.
Or you say while,
Yeah, while statement, the while,
ILE.
W-I-H-I-L-E. While a condition is true or false, do, and then it does all the other program thing. Do you want to test now or do you want a break? Who doesn't want a break? You want to take a break? Take a break?
Yeah, I would prefer to take a break.
You want to take a break?
Yes.
You want to take a break?
I'm taking a break. So while condition, you can place the statement anywhere, right?
I'll take it. Who wants to take it now? Now, if you take it now, no, close your book, close your note, close everything. Take a break. No.
Everybody said why? It was started sell everything.
You want to take a break? Right?
My laptop, man.
Okay.
Yeah. Can I smoke?
Guys, taking a break, I need you to go out. If you want to take the day,
You gonna break? Because I'm gonna take my test. We're gonna take the test. You stay here. If you're gonna take a break, you gotta get out.
yes.
Come on. Disconnect.
Which one works for you?
You want to take it?
If I take the test now.
I was just out in my own little world for like blocks of
You want to take it now? If you don't take it now, no. Today? Okay.
Damn, is that what's happening? Was that what was happening in class?
Who's taking a break?
I'm taking a break. I'm going outside.
Okay, if you're taking a break, I need you to go out.